Now we have the next storm, fueled by a big temperature change. Look at Charleston, West Virginia, and Pittsburgh. Then look at Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. That's quite a contrast. That's fueling that storm. So here's how that is likely to play out for us. Increasing clouds tonight. Now, as early as tomorrow morning, a few bands of rain are likely to move through. It does not look like it'll be raining all day tomorrow, just a few periods of rain or drizzle, mostly a cloudy day, a little bit raw with the wind coming in off the ocean. The heaviest band of rain will likely be late tomorrow night after midnight through about Friday morning. That's also when we'll get the gustiest winds, and then not much rain Friday afternoon in eastern Mass, but a few showers over western Mass. How much rain can we get? Half inch to an inch around Boston, but higher amounts, 1 to 2 inches in western Mass. And we will have the gusty winds picking up tomorrow afternoon on the Cape, and it's late tomorrow night and early on Friday in the heaviest rain bands that the strongest wind gusts will occur. That would be also on the Cape and the island. So clouds increasing tonight, but staying dry, not as chilly as last night, 40 to 43. Cloudy, breezy day with a couple of showers tomorrow, upper 40s to mid 50s. But you want to know about the weekend. So let's bring Mike Wacom in here. Hi there, Mike.
Hey, Harvey.
And how you doing?
I'm doing well. I mean, like everybody's a little happier when you get some sunshine out there, but yeah, a lot of people would ask me, why are we in such a cold pattern right now? It's kind of a blocking pattern that we have. What happens is high pressure to the north kind of blocks these storms and they sort of hang around for a while. Well, it looks like we're going to get a little break from that as we head towards Sunday, which means we warm up. Unfortunately, that blocking pattern will come back into play as we look down the road in the extended forecast. So colder temperatures will be coming back in. So let's take a look at the weekend. The weekend right now, I would say a few showers on Saturday. However, your Sunday, a little cooler at the coast, but it looks like inland temperatures could get close to the 70-degree mark. Let me break it down over the next 7 days and show you what's going to happen. As Harvey was pointing out, a few showers tomorrow, but the bulk of the rain really tomorrow night into Friday morning. And Friday is May Day. It's the 1st of May. Maybe 60 degrees, but wind-driven rain will never feel that nice out there. Saturday, a few showers are hanging around, but look what happens on Sunday. Now, Sunday is going to be chilly to start. We'll start off with readings into the 40s, but as the day goes on with that sunshine out there, I think we'll see a few spots inland that will get close to the 70-degree mark. But again, if you're near the water, it is going to be a little bit colder out there. And then Monday, as I mentioned, the pattern goes back to that rainy pattern, so that's why I've got more rain showing up in the forecast on Monday. Might linger a little bit into Tuesday, but behind it, once again, we'll cool things back off again. So in the next 7 days, we've got one really nice day showing up. The rest of them kind of damp and gray in many, many ways.